This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Spacious ranch with fresh paint and new flooring throughout, updated kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Nice floor plan features living room, dining room, family room, and sunroom overlooking backyard. Primary suite with private bath. Attached garage has been partially converted but still offers good storage space. Large backyard, new roof. Established neighborhood convenient to Newport, News-Williamsburg Airport, JBLE-Eustis, Yorktown, and Williamsburg. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.